yɛde nsɛm no ɛde ɛbrɛmo na sɛde mo nim no oba don't forget to subscribe to the channel na emboa ema edwumadi a yedi wa ha no entimi nkɔ nanim. You see some subscription button, don't forget to press on that. Now let's move straight to the story. So Merry Christmas to all lovers of Silver TV. Merry Christmas pa. Christmas emotion. Na number na da se o ti wa odo Silver no. Na the Christmas a chere na fa. Na baby am call pa major restaurant bi am ko hu se masa. Omo se afenoma serve nkofo nti no wodo mo ano apekakra bomb no. Ma mu nzeze pekakra bomb no. Ade se Silver TV so me de ka just for the Christmas, but that's by the way. So Merry Christmas to all of you. A long year, you've been through a lot, but yada masepa what da machre number ne da se ho yen to aso. Now ne yede Kotoko enra training grounds ye call ho dear koso ho yede be ma na yede 20-man squad. So bet send me come asem no me come esi so yie enye mum say ye previews, but they have to be transparent. We are UnConfirmed 20-man squad. But based on training, Thursday and Friday, you monitor, you know, you players are multi training, any players are multi training. You players are coaching a bra or session the team, or your boy, any players are multi ambo. You players are what gym, any players are wama or mobile training, so man training, any or more man background. So based on that, I can give you the 20-man squad. But like I said, I confirmed that my catch say we are confirmed. Last week, Nipa Bibre na Zeze is in the team, Zeze is in the team. So but my catch say Zeze nim. Mfegue and a womb. You call blue park and also line up am the man pepe 20-man squad pepe. You know the place, you know where to listen to. Then I must say was sending magia to. But before we move on to that, and now at the Baba Sports Stadium, medical, and now my mama transfer news. So I think that today, you know, it will be appropriate say mema ba kubi. Na me de aka ni nyina akwa enumre. But mema ba kubi. Na ma clarify ne maybe. Good. Now, and now at the Baba Sports Stadium, there was an incident that happened just in front of me. Have to folk fans no eya debi. After Omo draw against Great Olympics, I was there, so I know what happened. I know how it started. I know what happened. The entire house news were about. She video, mama. You watch this video. I recorded it myself, and you know, Selbert, your co-sina will get closer to baby DNA con. Bomb ne to a honey kujina. So you get the how clear it is. So watch this video for me. Me ba na mababe chirim kakra. Na me the transfer news na mamo. The training grounds report amamo. The training grounds report. I catch me say any Saturdays pe. Na me the amamo. We are no about 20-man squad. Me say UnConfirmed. But it's over DNA and confirmed the difference be any. Me the no so amamo. Na ye hu send ye be ye nyoma. I was over TV. Me ba sisi aha anya no pe. Kotoko. And no training grounds no. Adakwaja project no me say me nya special video. But and you might be papa bi koso Kotoko that the IMC is doing inya de urusa or Chinamidu Stadium. I'll ask certain people some questions. They didn't and my papa be say no Monfem Barbonting and then Obiama me permission, but me I don't work under anybody's structure. Intimidation my papa no so be Barbonting. I'm a munye. But let's watch the video. When I come back, we'll continue on Silver TV. So you watch the video. Now video here, and I have to focus after their draw against Olympics. A chita for no day or more papers no my church statement be so in a larger Akambi must go. The king must appoint a coach before sacking a coach or must have a coach before sacking a coach. A lot of statements and an paper so. Now the first thing I see and I say, as a house for no tonight green stance one. Jomu you know. Ena omu nyina ba VIP so say green stance na e bie etum fa VIP hwan to omu fa VIP ho na e ba na omu ba be gina gate no mid zone ho. Now I'm saying it emphatically omu crew house of folk players no any team bus no till say team bus need to a free park no so omu crew omu entirely omu de omu papers no tare glass nanim for the players to see how angry the fans are. I was there. And they omo ye. Jomu we na bas ni two you know. Then time one say Elijah Kambi is a Muslim. And the Muslims on bumpire around 7:38, but because of the game, Elijah and me on bumpire. So after the game, and we decided say bumpire. Now so baba VVIP car park on a one Muslim for the bumpire. Nti alaja kan bi wura ha kobom pa nti time abas ni tu ye no ena alaji film pa bo na se ba na chitafo ni bi ni nya ejinwahye kakra but before that impo na alaji kobom pa na abas and some key out of folk fans bi no dum na heated pa ano mani abre na alaji kobom empire ba no kobom pa ye ne ba ye no that time na supporters na who players na wie Jomunya and Tiesa large war get my words right. It was scary. And run am suruma large Akambi. O he send ye chita for dim the car. Ebe twa ne car musia yambo police na baso. The police had to rush and come because at that time no we our team bass kwa amoko sign it out or some I don't know how they call it but omusia na leader no akasa ni we are that was what they were going to do. No hint. And they had to rush to a larger Akambi's car. I could count not less than 10 policemen. I was a larger Akambi car. Now, see a cast and nipa and say broke moi. And now has a chita phone your must say bro a larger Akambi came. And yasam ketwa. Now, a quite a larger Akambi si fafa so pie and new. You have to go back precope. Because now I saw this speed quickly. Never amount for muso obetiaso. Now this speed quickly still the people were there. No more that sujina ho. And also na police net car no she until nearly garage bit me the car no crap in police ni. And now quickly kakra. If you watch the video you can see Mirika wodi be twemu ekoye and the police car had to follow. Police car pick up our police for a woman bro bear 10. Almost TTH front had to follow Elijah Akambi because no musuru said on more PFE stadium on a man for now could do baby a ya. Why had a chita for Nibia saying DH on the enemy DBC. So the police quickly followed Elijah Akambi and then ran security of the Elijah Akambi nature way. I can't say hey, he was well protected, but it was a scary moment. And run has a chita for no many abre papa so. Person on the beat tarene ni screen any and you say a broom. And if large decided say go see a react here, I'm telling you say could be fan slap. Go I'm telling you say could be bet me a large can be slap. Well, has it there no no. Baby enjoy sanity. But let's start with transfer no. Now I clarify with him. Fatau Sulemana is not training with Kotoko. Me clarify my waha. I've been to the training grounds and I'm telling you, because next story about one, Ipiana me bisa wabaho, about training, and I'm telling you, Fatau Sulemana, any Kotoko training grounds. Left back now, Obama medium or core Amarek Nasem na making. Unyanko Kotoko training grounds. Take it from Seubet. And me sabe chirimi ye amwenye ntiasien. And na Fatau Sulemana ɛwɔ Kumasi Babaya Sports Stadium ɔbɛhwɛ Hearts ne Olympics deɛ nti ɔbɛhwɛ Hearts ne Olympics ne ba bɛka akyerɛw ɛwɔ ha sei you know say Obed you can't send it here now Suleiman and common is saying it here say American otis obi say was started training no Kotoko anya no pre oni ho enra no he is in Kumasi I can't bear 2 weeks ago say he is in Kumasi general Shannon nines camel tra no Shannon ne round neck I want a cap watching the foot now common the preferred left back of the Asante Kotoko technical team based on my sources Moro Ibrahim. But Fatau is also an option. Not a Fatau is free agent. To an option available for the Kotoko technical team to decide whether they want him or not. From what I'm picking, issue now I'm catching them say one issue ya brand and about Kosona who the ashe. I will training and son and penny for decide no. The player himself is willing to go and train with Kotoko and see say if indeed the modern mobile sort technical team na mama sign no and a mama sign no. But yeah Benny on say Abdul Karim ko nations Fatau Sulemana has for a show interest of Fatau Suleiman. I'm telling you. Had to folk a show interest of Fatau Suleiman. Has the market for a left back. Has bloggers and you can pick this news. And to say the battle for Fatau has a trinity to got companion for no to into unstarted training. But he is willing to go and train with Kotoko to prove to the technical team of Asante Kotoko say he is capable of improving their team. And again, on Lusune, what we call fitness. And now on Yemre, I won't commodie. But Kotoko for Chichomanasia. For now, I can tell you officially how to focus interest of Fatau. Me di bank story back with the amount. Me twaso was over TV. Now, Enra, my main bo IMC nabaso. Na adia back on my prioritize ya efe player sikasem. Mamun fa player sikasem in the agro. Me pesa me kan adia potin a me hu ye. But only say me hu bibi a me beka. Player sikasem omun fe in the agro. Ntiambo Asante Kotoko IMC nabaso. Ewo kwan a omun make sure say the welfare of Asante Kotoko players ekoyi na ekototin. Now at the back on mess about my bason say enra constantly at the bia me business me guy anything come out me bisa a video analyst for number training. Video analyst for number training. Or see your mobile. But I'm in your story another. Thursday and Friday key observations. They are still always with the team. And Asante Kotoko. Fela back on me say more top scouts. More the kaboom. I'm also supply the video analyst for data on opponent into position watch and our opponent watch. There's a proper data Asante Kotoko team here. And football now is about data. So benyani pabe miensa data. No Kotoko training house ho no camera nisi ho no share training no type phone so the type at the point when I'm saying me conquer head your more trono, but for certain reasons, and I be jai decent work mount your tripod, no more monitor team to they sit with the technical team and they tell them say training, from up don't say Koroko adakwaja or form kakra, and I be a chita for the tenant was from 2 or which me track the cost of parking in so the positioning and what the coach is teaching the players on the video no count coach man who say the all three mlantie no e sa pepepe no mo ye the ontimi nye no ma frɛ no ma twe na adwen si so based on the video based on the data na me requested data bi but we know the energy say me the kosoro kakra I have to go up there they have the data pa and me how kakra be wo Because if you have the data, sometimes there's some publish it. Now, man, for whom you behind the scene. You guys are doing a wonderful job, but behind the scenes, there's a moment of fool. Ntiembo o mabaso. Nze ben me bo abaso no bo abaso nko yi me catch. Now ma me fan to anim yenko de mo twen no so. Asante Kotoko team na da ho no. 1. Richmond Opoku Dembele onka team no ho. Otena Kotoko RTU onka ho. Based on their course with training onka ho. Exactly what is wrong with Richmond Opoku no. Enye na me kan wansem. Me kan wansem da fofo. But onka team no ho. Good. Shadrach Ado enka team no ho. Bobo players na ochina omu make the squad no. Shadrach Ado onka ho. Bena Sumwa will not return. The catcher say, oh yeah, gym work. Shadrach Ado so yeah, gym work. Also free under 20 camp na ba. Into a bar. The fitness of the team no. I see a do femwa ni use a fitness no. A catch up. Korko gym ni yambo Holland for na baso. Na management for constructing a year. Abekoja ache soro ni yambo Holland for na circles no the machine besi no. The team is really using the gym. Inti Richmond Opoku, Shadrach Ado, Bena Sumwa, and Katim no. From what I'm picking, this the 20-man squad based on training unconfirmed. Muiz Poite, me when they say one she na Danlad Zeze Kalo. Me say unconfirmed, but from the me who were training, likely see bit me na Mfegue Kasari, Danlad Ibrahim as the 2 goalkeepers for Asante Kotoko. All things being in equal. Goalkeeping department na some no can anything. Because na way of training with the team no unhuni to one here no work back. Then I'm say unconfirmed. Saka confirmed one am the bro but training who sem na me ma. Prince Adasa will be in the team together with Peter Aminu Aqua. Certainly omu team no. Don Tedeku Nana Benyini Amwa as the left backs. Let me confirm one I'll say a be 85%. Say Enoch Morrison and Kotoko team no nyame yard more chana. A be 85. Say Morrison one ya Kotoko team no on ka ho nyame yard more chana. Enti a be Nana Benyini and John Tedeku together with Prince Adasa and Abrantia and Peter Aminu Aqua mama 6. Actually, one a 4 straight, 4 center backs, Yusuf Nuruddin, Henry Ansu, Sharif Muhammad, and Justice Blade. I need part 10, no. Yantuaso, we trading the end of the day, man. In Finfino, Sharif Muhammad, Babayaya, Richmond Lamte, Eric Zeze, Ebe Babak. Eric Zeze, Ebe Babak. Take it from me. Andrews in team menu. Na wenya Michael Che Jamana and Rocky Jamana. Pacho uti die and Rocky then Jamana. And no aye 17 aka players 3. Players 3 no, I'm telling you say Kalu Watara. Kalu Watara. George Mfegue and Isaac Opon Neymar. We a training grounds there. Air Koswa. Me dan de chire e de ama wo se obeti yentene chire you go to the site and we watch what happens. Me bossu be ma unconfirmed but based on training there will be changes. 1 Danlad Ibrahim Mfegue Kasari, Prince Adasa and Peter Aminu Aqua, Nana Benyini Amwa and Abrante Fen Don Tedeku, Sharif Muhammad defender, Justice Blade, Henry Ansu, Yusuf Nuruddin. 10. Sharif Muhammad midfielder, Babayaya, Richmond Lamte, Eric Zeze, Michael Che Jamana, Andrew Sintimenu, and Rocky Jamana. Up front, Kalu Watara. Na when you branch your fene, Bukwala. Na the Isaac Opon Neymar, so at the account common. This is what I'm picking from the camp of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So possible changes in Ibino. George Mfegue out. Enoch Morrison so ebe out of the squad. Inti Zeze ebe she abrantie freno Mfegue anan na Kalu Watara aba be she Enoch Morrison anan. All things being equal based on training grounds dear ena mede ema ono. Inti Augustine Japan Samuel Asamoah Fuseni Sahaku omu nyina ye fit omu training because right back no Samuel Asamoah Fuseni Sahaku Augustine Japan all fit omu nyina ye training. Asamoah de onim so otimi bo center back otimi sa bo right back. I just can't wait for that guy to return. He's one player me Jimmy Deepa and a commitment level. I just can't wait for him to return. I have a feeling Nicholas Osei-Bonsu will not make the squad based on training. But Nicholas is also training with Asante Kotoko. The players are me from training game who you know on the field DNA Nicholas Osei-Bonsu, Enoch Morrison, George Mfegue, Julius Oforizigi, na wenya Richmond Opoku, Shadrach Ado, Bernard Somwa, na wenya Brantefen Augustine Japan, Fuseni Sahaku, Samuel Asamoah. These are the players that I believe will not make the squad for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na me ya adumotina. Nti enumre Mensaka confirmed one na me de any possible lineup based on training no me de eno so amamo. But major changes American sebesi no will be Morrison and Mfegue out for Zeze and Kalu Watara for Asante Kotoko. Na me nkama ho na Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Barosha asie wa number na ho no na udose obe TV a utimi de kakrama e ne de tofu o se ne trips na aye be ne ibetimi aye nya ni ibe share numre. Have enjoy your day and take good care of yourself this particular weekend. Bye bye.